Hello students, my name is Zivanas. I am handling science subject for class that is 5th standard. So students, last video I have explained you about the chapter that is amazing energy. Okay, in that I have finished half of your chapter that is up to the different forms of energy. In that I have explained you some kinds of energies. Okay, I have explained you in this chapter what is work, what is energy, and what are the different forms of energy. So that energy was muscular energy, your mechanical energy. In the mechanical energy, potential energy and kinetic energy I have explained you. Then I have explained you about the solar energy, right? This energies I have explained you. Now let's go with another form of energies. Okay, let's continue the chapter. Let's There is another form of energy, that is wind energy. Moving air, wind means what? It is air. Okay, the air which moves very fast is called as wind. Okay, the air which moves fast is called as what? Wind. Okay, when the air moves fast, it produces one kind of energy. That energy is called as wind energy. What it is called? It is called as wind energy. See, air is one of the sources of energy. Moving air, that is wind, possesses energy. This energy is called as wind energy. In the ancient time, people used to make boats and ships sail on the oceans with the help of the wind. What happens? What they used to do? They used to make boats and ships. See, they used to sail on the oceans. They used to go on the oceans. They used to find the direction with the help of wind. What they used to do? They used to put some cloth on the higher area with on the boat where the wind blows in with seeing that direction. They used to travel. Okay, they used to sail with the help of that of wind. Okay, windmills rotate due to the fast movement of your wind. This is your windmill, you see. What happens when the wind comes? Due to the fast rotation, due to the fast speed, this wind wheels rotate. Okay, the turbine rotating due to this wind energy produces an electricity. Due to the rotation, what they produce? That is electricity. They produce what? Electricity. Now there are few questions that is discuss with the friends and elders and write the answers. See, wet clothes spread over the rope for drying flutters. Why? Like this they will be fluttering. Why? Because of wind. Okay, why do trees like coconut and arecanut fall down during the rainy season? During rainy season, why they fall down? Because of heavy wind. The wind has enormous energy. Okay, the fruit will be unable to hold, the tree unable to hold the fruit. Due to this energy, it gets fall down. What happens when the kite is held against the blowing wind? Kite is held against the blowing wind. What happens? It will go above and above with the help of the wind. Wind wheel rotates only when somebody runs, holding in Y. Only when we rotate, what happens? Wind starts flowing. Wind, that is air, air gets energy and hence it gets rotated. Okay, if we move air, air also moves with us. With the, how much speed you will move, that much speed air also will be moving, and it starts rotating. Why do lantern have glass cover? Lantern means what? That lantern which you light in the night lamps, you can say. Night lamps with this heat, they have a glass cover, right? Why do? To protect it from wind. Okay, to protect it from wind, they have that is glass cover. Then write about the work done by the wind energy. You have to write some work done with the wind energy. Production of electricity from the example, that is one work you are saying, that is production of electricity from the wind. See, this is you do in the daily activities, that you run and your wheel starts rotating. We'll make with the paper, right? The paper starts rotating. What we make a wind wheel and enjoy running by holding it. Wind has enormous energy. By using this energy, many works could be done. Naturally available wind is used as a energy, and we must learn to protect ourselves from the disaster caused by the wind. Okay, the tsunami, what you will say, wind caused lot of the wind causes lot of destruction also, like cyclonic effect, we will say. Cyclone means large wind come, like this round wind will come, that it causes lot of destruction. The next energy, we will go with the next energy, that is stored energy of water. Flowing water is a source of energy, right? Flowing water is a source of energy. In order to use the water as a source of energy, a dam has to be built across the river, and the water must be stored. And stored, it is potential energy. See, storing water is called as potential energy. How it is? In the dams we store the water. This is potential energy. Stored water is allowed to fall from the higher levels to fall of higher level to fall on the turbine. See, stored water, what they will do, they will make to fall on the wheels like turbine like. Okay, due to this heavy flow, the turbine starts rotating. Okay, heavy flow of water, the turbine starts rotating. Due to the force exerted, the running water turbines rotate fast and produces electricity. Due to the rotation of this, what happens? It produces, that is, electricity. This is called as what? Hydroelectric power generating station. What it is called? It is called as what? Hydroelectric power generating station. So you have to write some names of your dams that you have visited. Okay, here, visit library. With the help of the books, list out the dams built across the rivers and hydroelectric power generating station in Karnataka. Efforts of men in the producing electricity by using water energy is to be appreciated. This, it should be appreciated because this is made by your men. Name the work which can be done by using, that is, water energy. By using water energy, what are the works that can be done? You have to write here. Then, energy produced by the ocean tide is called as what? Tidal energy. Ocean tide means what? In the ocean, like this, water will flow like this. This is called as tide. In the ocean, when the wind blows, there will be large number of tides. Due to this tides also, we will produce one kind of energy. This energy is called as what? Tidal energy. What it is called? It is called as tidal energy. Naturally available water is very precious. This is very precious. Hence, it must be used moderately. You have to use, that is, moderately. The electricity which is produced with more effort and expenses should also be used moderately, and energy should be conserved. This energy should be conserved. Write two situations where you can save the electricity. One, I will tell you, that is whenever you go out from your house, you have to switch off the fan and light so that you can save your electricity. One thing. Another, you have to think and write. Okay, what would have happened if there was no electricity? If there was no electricity, how we will feel? See, in summer season only, if there is no fan, what you will do? You'll feel so hot, right? You'll be sweating like anything. So if there is no electricity, how will you feel? That you have to write. Okay, so reservoirs production hydroelectric electricity are called hydroelectric power generating station. Okay, hydroelectric power generating station. This is about stored energy. Let's go with another energy, that is electrical energy. The name itself tells that electrical energy means what all you will use electronic things, that produces one kind of energy. That energy is electrical energy. Electronic things, what you will use is your refrigerator, your iron, your geyser, your washing machine. These all things are electric energy. electrical energy. Nowadays, most of our daily works are being easily done with the help of electricity. With the help of electricity, all the works are done easily. It is possible to do more work in less time using that is electricity. It is possible to do that is more work in less time. Write the 4 work done using that is electrical appliances in your home. I tell you 2, that is, one is iron for ironing your clothes and washing machine for your washing your clothes. Okay, these are the electrical appliances that are given: your refrigerator, your computer, your iron, then your washing machine. Electricity is supplied to the houses and other places from the electric power generating station. This electricity is produced by electric power generating station. Electrical appliances must be used carefully. You have to use it carefully. If you don't use carefully, what happens? It will produce shock, and it may be dangerous for your body. It may be dangerous for your health. Okay. Then next is your natural energy, that is bioenergy. Your natural energy, it is produced naturally. The gas produced by decaying agricultural waste, plants residues, animal dung, etc., in the absence of air, is called biogas. What it is called? It is called as biogas. It is used for cooking. The energy available from biogas can be converted into electricity. This can be converted into electricity and can be used for that of many works. See, this is biogas. What they will do? They will dig all the materials, that is your cow dung, your animal waste, agricultural waste, all the things. In the absence of air, it will produce a gas. This gas is called as biogas. This is used for cooking, and even it is helpful for producing that is electricity also. Right here the works you know that you can do by using that is bioenergy. Okay. Bioenergy obtained from the agriculture waste helps human beings to maintain that is healthy environment. It also helps for healthy environment. Why it is maintaining healthy environment? Because it does not have any chemicals. It is natural, so it maintains that is healthy environment. Okay. Now let's go for another form of energy, that is chemical energy. Chemical energy is produced by the chemical reactions that takes place in the substances. Two substances, when they react with each other, it produces one kind of energy. This energy is called as chemical energy. What it is called? It is called as chemical. Example: chemical reactions in electrical cell produces electricity. See, when positive and negative charge comes together, it produces electricity. Okay, we have in cells, right? This will be small cell in which positive point and negative point will be there. See, we will attach that is positive point and negative point with this wire. What happens? It produces one kind of energy. That energy is electricity. Okay. This is chemical reaction. This is what? Chemical reaction. Next energy we will see, that is fuel energy. Nowadays fuel is very important. Everything is with the fuel. Your vehicle works with the fuel. Your cooking is with your fuel. Your everything, whatever you use with it is with your fuel. One more energy available in nature is fuel energy. Fuel is the natural source of energy which is combustible, produces heat, and usually gives out light. It gives out light. This can be converted into electrical energy, heat energy, and mechanical energy. This energy can be, fuel energy can be converted into 3 forms: electrical, heat energy, and mechanical energy. Okay, these are the things that works with the fuel. Your lantern, for cooking, for gas, your vehicles, aeroplanes, rockets, your ships, this all uses that is fuel energy. If you have appliances which make use of fuels in your home, write it. You have appliances, right? You have many appliances, that is LPG gas in your home. Your motorbike, this uses petrol. This all the things are the things that you use with the help of fuel energy. Okay. Fuel are various minerals and their products. They are available in the earth crust. These are exhausted gradually and required a long period of time for reformation. See, these are fuels are getting exhausted, and for the reformation it requires millions of years. So we need to protect, that is, you need to conserve this fuel energy and use energy which is naturally available every time. That is your solar energy. Solar energy is always available. You can use, instead of this you can use, that is solar energy. Firewood is also the fuel. Burning of firewood gives heat. By using this heat energy, it is possible to cook and do other works. With energy you can cook and do, that is, many other works. The fuel natural resources must be used moderately to protect our environment. Solar energy must be used more instant for the conventional of fuel. Okay. Now, energy is available in different forms from the natural source. Energy is also different forms from the natural source. Write the different forms of energy you have learned. You have to write all the forms of energy that you have learned. One is your muscular energy, your mechanical energy, your heat energy, solar energy, wind energy. Then with energy you have learned wind energy. Then what you have learned again, this fuel energy. Then which energy you have learned again, fuel energy and chemical energy. These are the different kinds of energies that you have learned here. Okay. Now let's go for another topic, that is change of energy from one form to another form. See, your mechanical energy. See, your one energy is converted into heat, energy is converted into electrical energy. This is changing from one form to the another form. Let's see what are the things that can be changed from one form to another form. The energy available from the sources like sun, water, wind, food, chemical reactions are present naturally in the nature. The energy found in different forms changed and become, that is, useful for the human life. This is very useful for your human life. For example, fuel energy gets converted into mechanical energy to run the vehicles. We use to run the vehicles, fuel energy is converted into mechanical energy. Firewood gets converted into heat energy, that is to cook the food. Write the changes in the form of energy in the following activities. That is, first is running of petrol car. Form of energy is chemical energy, and form of change energy is chemical energy into that of mechanical energy. Drum playing, it is one muscular energy. This muscular energy is converted into what? Sound energy, that you can see here. Then ironing of clothes. Ironing of clothes is what? Heating of energy. This cannot be converted. Iron directly, it is heated. This is one form of energy, that is heating of energy. Drying up of papad in the hot sun. This is solar energy. This is what? Solar energy. Cooking food using, that is biogas. This is the gas energy is converted, biogas energy is converted into heat energy. Then glowing of electrical bulb by rotating turbine. Rotating turbine means what? That wind energy or water energy. This is converted into what? Glowing of electricity means what? Heat energy. Okay. We learned from examples that energy gets converted from one form to another. Write the other examples from the change of energy from one form to another. This you have to write the energies. Now let's go for that of conservation of energy, how we should conserve the energy. Energy can be neither be created nor it can be destroyed. It cannot be even created nor it cannot be destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another from one form to another form. Energy remains in the one or other form. It remains in one or the other form. If energy released by the natural source like sun, wind, water, fuel, etc. is used moderately, you can save our energy. Okay, if you are using moderately, you can save your energy. Use of clues, give in the bracket. Um, Use the clues given in the bracket and write which alternative energy can be used by doing the activities given below. Fuel, chemical energy, electrical energy, and charcoal. Traveling by bicycle. Saved alternating energy. Traveling by bicycle. Yeah, you can say that is instead of going by vehicles, right? Which vehicle? A motorcycle. You can travel by bicycle. Washing clothes by hand, instead of using that is electrical energy, you can wash clothes by hand. Producing electricity from the wind, you can use producing electricity from the wind. You can use instead of it, you can use that is normal electrical energy. Okay, like solar energy. Then cooking food using biogas, you can use that is instead of saved biogas, instead of this you can use that is what you can use that is LPG gas. Okay, not to put on the radio when there is no electricity. That is what you have to do. Save alternate energy. Alternate energy for this is when there is no electricity, you can use that is battery cells instead. Okay, which alternative energy can be used for the following activities instead of conventional energy? Write using the clues given in the bracket. Okay, solar water heater, biogas, solar cooker, solar cells. Instead of heater, you can use that is solar water heater. Electrical geyser, you can use solar heater only. Cooking rice on the heater, you can use that is solar cooker. Electrical bulb, you can use instead of that electrical cells. Listening to the radio by using that is electricity, you can use that is solar cells. Okay, by doing work one can be used that is alternate energy. Example, using that is solar energy instead of that of electrical or fuel energy. Electrical or fuel energy, instead of that you can use that is instead of using solar energy, instead of electrical and fuel energy, you can use that is solar energy. Energy which fulfills our needs is very essential for the survival of living beings. If we use energy gained by the body from the food and the energy gained from the environment for the other activities carefully, the capacity of work can be increased. Okay, the capacity of work can be increased. That's all about this chapter. Hope you have understood this chapter very well. I'll give you the question answers and the detail in the next video. Hope you have understood it. So take care. Bye students.